In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bill in Xero, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to log in, find the bills area, enter your supplier's details, and either save the bill for later or approve it so it's ready for payment. First, open Xero and head to the login page. Click the login button to begin. On the sign-in screen, enter your email and password for your Xero account, then click Login again. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, complete that prompt to continue. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard, which gives you a quick overview of your business. From the dashboard, look for the Purchases area. Click Purchases, then choose Bills. This is your hub for all bills, drafts, awaiting approval, awaiting payment, everything in one place. To create a new one, click New Bill. Now, enter the details from your supplier's invoice. Start by selecting the supplier contact. If the contact already exists, choose it from the list. Otherwise, create it so future bills are faster. Add the invoice number or reference from your supplier so you can find it later. Enter the invoice date and due date. Accuracy here helps Xero keep your cash flow and reminders on track. Next, add your line items. For each line, include a clear description, quantity, and unit price that match the supplier's document. Choose the correct account code so the cost is categorized properly in your reports. Things like cost of goods sold, office expenses, or subcontracting, depending on what you purchased. Select the appropriate tax rate based on your location and the supplier's tax treatment. If you use tracking categories, apply them now to keep your reporting tidy across projects, departments, or locations. Double-check the subtotal, tax, and total against the supplier's invoice. If there are delivery fees or discounts, add them as separate lines to keep your records clean. You can also attach a copy of the supplier invoice to the bill so everything is stored together for audit and future reference. When you're done, you have two options. Click Save to keep the bill as a draft or awaiting approval, which is helpful if someone else needs to review it or you want to come back later. Or if everything is correct and you're ready to move it into your payables, click Approve. Approved bills will appear in your Bills to Pay list and flow through to your cash flow and payment runs. That's it. Log in, go to Purchases, open bills, create a new bill, enter the details carefully, and then save or approve. Follow these steps and you'll keep your accounts accurate and up to date in Xero.